Hey everybody, you saw my last video, I smashed my nuts and they started bleeding, and yeah, well, I was reading a text message if you want to read it, okay, read it. Well, smashed my nuts, started bleeding, not good, so, taped them up, back, power wing, me, power wing, me, power wing, me, power wing, me. Okay, well, bar spins, you can do them if you try. I'm gonna show you one, then I'm gonna show, I got my scooter fixed, so I'll show you some 180s on that. How to do 180s on that in this video, so. Okay, well, let's get started. Can you see me? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get my scooter. You might be asking why it broke. I got new wheels a couple weeks ago from my friend for free. And the bearings fell out, so I had to put the back in. So I'm going to teach you how to 180. So in here, about to go 180. Well, first, know how to bunny hop. You need to know how to do that. When you know how to do that, you have to, it's a bad view, when you're, I don't know how I'm going to do this, teach you this. Okay, when you're in the air, I'm going to back it up. You want to turn your head while you turn your scooter. Okay, so you turn your head. You people who are watching this, 180 is simple. I'm gonna do one on 360s next week probably, sometime. You should watch it, and after that, I'll post some more videos about 360 and bar spins. I'm learning tail whips right now, so I'll have those videos soon. So, when you're 180, key thing, turn, head, whatever you weigh. If you have your right foot on the scooter and you're pushing off with your left, you're going to turn to your left. 180. If you have your left foot on the scooter, you're going to turn head right. So, I'll show you both ways. I'll start off with my right foot. Okay. And now my left. So, once you can 180, you'll be able to do other tricks with them, like 180 bar spins, 180 tails, 180 whips. I'll show you 180 whip. Almost a 3 pretty much. So, subscribe. Sean Dog 22. Love ya.